on the Softail today and it's getting dark and we're going to go make some sparks. About a year ago, I put some titanium draggers on the bottom of the floorboards because I'd worn my floorboards down so much. I needed something down there, and I figured I might as well make them titanium so that we could have some sparks. A lot of people say, oh, why do you do that? It's bad for your Harley. Why scrape it? Look, man, I ride because it's fun. Yeah, I don't have a car, don't have a truck. My wife has a truck. I have 4 motorcycles, and I ride because I like to ride, and I ride because it's fun. And yeah, it wears out the floorboards to scrape. And no, I don't scrape so far that I'm going to lever the rear tire off the ground. And it's just fun. Just like pulling wheelies fun, riding in the dirt's fun. It's fun to do, so that's why I do it. There's no other reason. The other thing is, let's take a look at these draggers right here. You can see they pretty much look the same as when we started making all those sparks. The little piece hanging off right there. I've had these on here a year, and they've worn down a little, but they still got a long ways to go. And of course, you can see the floorboard before I put these on was just getting scraped away. So, but I do not recommend anybody do these sparks, do the titanium draggers. I have fun with them, but it's not necessarily safe. You got to know what you're doing. And of course, sparks are going everywhere. If you're in a dry area, you know, you don't want to be shooting them sparks out. So, it's a video what I do for fun. It's a little something that's just a fun thing to do, and but it's not recommended, endorsed. Please don't anybody go do it because they think I said, oh, you should do this. If you like the video, please hit subscribe, please hit like, click the notification bell too so you know when we come out with another video. We appreciate you watching. Thanks.